In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Shattered Gold on the MPC-25 here in Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, equip the gun, go into your gunsmith, and go into the customize tab right here and go to the camo section, and in this section go ahead and select multiplayer, and this is where you're going to see all of your camo challenges that you need to knock out in order to get Shattered Gold up at the very end. The first 9 camos right here are going to be your headshot camos. You just got to get 80 headshots with the MPC-25. Now this gun does not really have very good range at all, so what you're going to want to do is, of course, play objective-based game modes, but this time, instead of sitting outside of the objective, you're probably going to want to sit inside the objective. You're most likely going to die a lot of times using this weapon, but it does have a very, very fast TTK, so if you're getting in close gunfights, you should be good. Obviously, put a scope on it. Obviously, aim for the head, and the game modes I recommend the most is Domination and Hardpoint on smaller maps like Hijacked or Nuketown when that does release. For the special camos, the first one is Diamondback. You just have to, get 50 kills with the suppressor attachment equipped. This one is self-explanatory. You could do the exact same thing. Play objective or sit outside of the objective and get these suppressor kills. Small maps is absolutely phenomenal for this camo right here. For the Raptor one, you just got to get kills shortly after sliding, diving, or wall jumping. Sliding is obviously the very easiest. Small maps are going to shine with this. It has a very fast time to kill. So just slide in an objective, get some kills, and you'll knock this one out pretty quickly. It's only 15 times, so this one is actually super easy to do. Mainframe is kind of annoying. You have to have 8 attachments on with the Gunfighter wildcard equipped, and it's just 50 kills. You could honestly knock this one out in 2 games doing the exact same method. Play objective-based game modes, run into the objective, get some kills. You just got to average like 25 kills a game, and you'll knock this one out. This one is very, very, very doable. And speaking of doable, the Shattered Gold camo on this gun is pretty easy to do as well. The thing is, what I recommend doing is putting on a long barrel and a scope, because for this one, you're going to want to sit outside of the objective itself. Something like Hardpoint or Domination is going to shine. Sit outside the objective, and you should be able to knock these ones out pretty quickly. This one should only take about 2 games max to finish, which is very, very, very convenient. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.